Hello, this is another in a series of videos brought to you by San Diego Defenders. These videos are meant to educate you on the possibilities that can arise when you're dealing with the police or if you've been arrested. The topic of today's video is, what should I say to the police if I've been stopped for a DUI? Simply put, this is what you should say to the police if you've been stopped for a DUI. Well, that's not quite accurate. You shouldn't just ignore the police. But the bottom line is, don't answer any questions. Don't make any statements. Be polite with the police. Give them your identification. And tell them when they ask you questions that you're declining to answer any questions and invoking your Fifth Amendment right not to answer questions. Now, some people would say to this, well, if you've done nothing wrong, why not answer? Or if you think you're innocent, why not answer questions? Here's the problem. If you are innocent, anything you say could be misconstrued by a police officer who's already suspecting you've broken the law. It could also be misheard. And in a really bad situation, if you have an officer who's willing to be dishonest, they could just make something up different from what you said. Furthermore, it's simply human nature that when we tell a story different times, we may change part of the details. Now, it may seem insignificant to you, but if you give an account to what has gone on with the police officer, whether it's your number of drinks, where you're coming from, where you're headed to, how you feel, if that changes at all if you give a later statement or testifying in court, the prosecutor is going to claim that you're making what's called an inconsistent statement. And they're going to use that to try and make it look like you lied to the police when you spoke to them or are lying in your subsequent statement. If you are innocent, the chemical test you take after you're arrested will show that you are innocent. Now, if you're guilty, there is absolutely no reason to speak to the police because you're only helping them do their job, which is to try and convict you. So if you're guilty or innocent, there is no reason to speak to the police. You can tell them that you have seen legal advice, videos, information on the internet, whatever you choose to say to them, that inform them they should invoke their Fifth Amendment right not to answer any questions. There is nothing wrong with invoking your constitutional rights. Those are your rights that were fought for and established when this country was founded. We wish you luck and hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks.